With the Pinboard, you can show notes and tasks to the whole class on the front screen without distraction. Click on the pen icon or move the mouse to the lower right corner. In the small text field you can type in your instructions. There are several options available for formatting. Pick a color theme you like. Now click on the checkmark to display your text in big letters. Now you should go full screen so that nothing else distracts the audience. You can make the text bigger or smaller, as you like it. Click on the clock icon to add a timer. At the bottom left you can set, start, pause or remove the timer. When the timer expires, a bell sounds and the task is hidden. While the class works with the instructions above, you can already prepare the next tasks in the small text field.